Next one. Can the equation of kinematics be used when acceleration varies with time? If not, what form would these equations take? త్వరణం కాలంతో పాటు మారుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు శుద్ధగతి శాస్త్రంలోని సమీకరణాలను ఉపయోగించవచ్చా? ఉపయోగించలేకపోతే ఆ సమీకరణాలు ఏ రూపాన్ని సంతరించుకుంటుంది? Once again, can the equations of kinematics be used when acceleration varies with the time? If not, what form would these equations take? Answer. Can the equations of kinematics be used when acceleration varies with time? No. When acceleration changes with time, kinematics cannot be used. Kinematical equations cannot be used. Kinematical equations means V is equal to U plus AT. First kinematical equation. Second kinematical equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Third equation, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Sn is equal to U plus A into n minus half. వీటికి అప్లికబుల్ కాదు. యాక్సిలరేషన్ టైంతో మారుతుంటే కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నాట్ అప్లికబుల్. హెన్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ నో. ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ నో. సెకండ్ పార్ట్, ఇఫ్ నాట్, వాట్ ఫార్మ్ వుడ్ దీస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టేక్? ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్, యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టైం. యాక్సిలరేషన్ is a function of time. That means acceleration అనేది కాలం యొక్క ప్రమేయంగా రాయొచ్చు. A is equal to f of t. That means that is A is equal to dv by dt. Acceleration is a function of time. That means A is equal to dv by dt. dv is equal to A dt. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Integrating and taking limits we get. And taking limits we get integral dv, initial velocity v0 to v is equal to integral a dt 0 to t. Starting time 0, final time t. Initial time v0, final time, initial velocity v0, final velocity v. Integral dv means v. Integral dv answer v. Limits v0 to v is equal to integral 0 to t a dt. First you apply upper limit v minus lower limit v0 is equal to integral 0 to t a dt. V is equal to v0 plus integral 0 to t a dt. That equal to v0 plus integral 0 to t. Again A means f of t. F of t dt. This is answer. Okay. Second case, acceleration is a function of displacement. Function of displacement. Okay. స్థానభ్రంశ ప్రమేయాన్ని యాక్సిలరేషన్ చెప్పొచ్చు. యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. స్థానభ్రంశ ప్రమేయాన్ని యాక్సిలరేషన్. దట్ మీన్స్ A is equal to f of x. F of x. That means instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration. A is is equal to dv by dt. Acceleration is the formula dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. వేగంలోని మార్పునే త్వరణం అంటారు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు dv by dx into dx by dt. ఓకే, dv by dx into dx by dt కింద రాయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు dv by dx into rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Since v is equal to dx by dt, rate of change of velocity is called, rate of change of displacement is called velocity. స్థానభ్రంశంలోని మార్పు రేట్నే వేగం అంటారు. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ. ఓకేనా, ఏ ఇంటూ that means v dv is equal to a dx. That applies. Integrating both sides and taking limits. Integrating both sides and taking limits, we get integral v dv is equal to integral a dx. Okay? v naught to v, initial velocity v naught, తొలి వేగం v naught, తుది వేగం v, ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ. అలాగే డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, ఇనిషియల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ xi, xf. ఓకేనా, xi ఇనిషియల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ xi, ఫైనల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ xf. That means simplifying we get v dv difference, integration of v dv is equal to v square by 2. Integration of v dv, యొక్క ఆన్సర్ v square by 2. Applying limits r to b is equal to right side xi by xi, integral xi to xf a dx. Therefore 1 by 2 common. Applying upper limit v square minus applying lower limit v naught square is equal to integral xi to xf a dx. Okay, v square minus v naught square is equal to 2 into integral xi to xf a dx. v square is equal to v naught square plus 2 into xi into xf a dx. v square is equal to v naught square plus 2 into integral xi to xf. xi means x suffix i to x suffix f. A means f of x. A means f of x. Px. This is. Third case, acceleration is a function of velocity. Acceleration is a function of velocity. వేగ ప్రమేయాన్ని యాక్సిలరేషన్ గా రాయొచ్చు, వేగ ప్రమేయాన్ని త్వరణంగా రాయొచ్చు. దట్ మీన్స్ a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు dv by dt. dv by same second case, acceleration is equal to, that is acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. వేగంలో మార్పు రేట్నే త్వరణం అంటారు. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు dv by dx into dx by dt. That equal to dv by dx into dx by dt means v. Velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement. స్థానభ్రంశంలోని మార్పు రేట్నే వేగం అంటారు. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ a, that means a into equal to a v dv. V dv, right side v dv is equal to a dx. Okay, integrating both sides. Integrating both sides and taking limits. Taking limits, we get integral v dv is equal to integral a dx. Limits. Initial velocity v naught, final velocity v. Initial displacement xi, final displacement xi. That means v dv integration v dv is equal to, that means integral a dx. That's all. Therefore, integral dx limits xi to xf is equal to integral v naught by v dv by a. Cross multiplying we get a is equal to cross. Okay, integral xi to xf dx is equal to integral v naught to v dv by a. Okay. That is equal to integral dx means x. Limits xi xf is equal to integral v naught to v dv by a. Applying first upper limit minus applying lower limit is equal to v naught to v into v dv by a. Therefore, xf by xf minus xf xi is equal to integral v naught to v dv by a means f of v. Okay. And then third case answer, xf minus xi is equal to integral v naught to v dv divided by f of v. ఈ విధంగా చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. అంటే త్వరణం టైంతో మారితే ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలా మారుతాయి. ఆ సమీకరణాలు ఏ రూపాన్ని సంతరించుకుంటాయి, ఇలా వస్తాయి మూడు ఈక్వేషన్. Next one, derive the equation S is equal to ut plus half at square from Vt graph. 4 marks. Vt graph నుండి S is equal to ut plus half at square ఉత్పాదించుము. V means velocity, T means time. Velocity time graph నుండి S is equal to ut plus half at square ఉత్పాదించుము. That means second equation of motion. రెండో చలన సమీకరణాన్ని ఉత్పాదించాలి. A graph is answer. A graph is drawn between P and T. Graph is drawn between V and T for uniformly acceleration. Uniformly accelerated. For uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, motion will get this type. You draw first velocity time graph. Time is taken along x-axis, velocity is taken along y-axis. The body's initial velocity is u. Okay. At A, the body's initial velocity is u, and final velocity is v after time traveling t. Okay. Consider a body moves between A and B. At A, its initial velocity is u. At B, its final velocity is v. Time taken between A and B is t. Okay. తొలి వేగం u, తుది and B. A, B మధ్య ప్రయాణించడానికి పట్టిన కాలము T అయితే కనుక ఓకే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ఏరియా under VT curve gives the displacement S. The area under VT curve gives the displacement. The area, and that means area of A, B, D, O. O, A, B, D, O is equal to displacement. Area under VT curve gives the displacement. Okay, VT graph మధ్యలో ఇందులో ఉన్న వైశాల్యం VT curve లో ఉన్న వైశాల్యం స్థానభ్రంశానికి సమానం. స్థానభ్రంశాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఏరియా బిట్వీన్ ద instants area between the instants 0 to T. That means area between the instants 0 to T. That means S is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the rectangle ACDO. Area between the instants 0 to T. That means S is equal to area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. Area of the triangle formula of base into height. Plus area of the rectangle length into breadth. Okay. Area of the triangle formula, formula of base into height. Height means width. Length into breadth. Podavu into width. Okay. Next, that is equal to of base means this is triangle base. This is T. The height means this is triangle height. That means here V minus U. This is V minus U. Height. Again, here V, here U. That means difference V minus U. Height V minus U. V minus U plus length of the rectangle T, breadth, this is U, breadth 0 to U means U, this is U, this is T. That is equal to half T to V minus U is equal to 80. Here V minus U is equal to 80 plus UT. According to first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus 80. V minus U is equal to 80. That's why substitute V minus U is equal to 80. Substitute in place of V minus U as 80. Okay, now V minus U is equal to from equation of motion. Simplifying we get UT. First you write UT plus of 80 square. S is equal to displacement. S is equal to UT plus of 80 square. Stanabhansam is equal to UT plus of 80 square. Okay. V VT graph నుండి S is equal to UT plus half UT square ను పాటించము. Derive the equation S is equal to UT plus half UT square from VT graph. Okay. Our answer is S is equal to UT plus half UT square.